Hey, what's up fam? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a seriously underrated topic, anemia. I mean, who knew this silent condition could be causing so much trouble? But don't worry, we've got your back. We're about to give you the lowdown on 8 silent symptoms of anemia that you can't afford to ignore. So, if you've been feeling sluggish, spaced out, or just not on your game, you're gonna want to stick around. We're about to drop some knowledge bombs on you that could change the game. So, grab your energy drinks, sit back, and get ready for serious enlightenment. Let's get into it. Number 8. Brain fog. Anemia can cause brain fog, which is a feeling of confusion, forgetfulness, and difficulty concentrating. This happens because the brain requires constant oxygen and nutrients to function properly. When the body is not producing enough red blood cells or hemoglobin to carry oxygen to the brain, it can lead to brain fog. People with anemia may also experience other cognitive symptoms, such as difficulty with problem solving, decreased alertness, and impaired decision-making. These symptoms can affect daily activities such as work, school, and driving. It's important to note that brain fog can also be caused by other factors such as stress, lack of sleep, medication side effects, and other medical conditions. If you are experiencing brain fog or any other symptoms of anemia, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the underlying cause and appropriate treatment. Number 7. Hair loss. When the body doesn't have enough iron, it may divert the available iron to other vital organs, leaving hair follicles without enough iron to grow healthy hair. Hair loss can be a symptom of anemia, particularly if the anemia is caused by iron deficiency. Iron is an essential nutrient for the growth and maintenance of hair follicles. When the body is iron deficient, it may divert the available iron to more vital organs, leaving the hair follicles without enough iron to grow healthy hair. This can result in hair that is thin, brittle, and prone to breakage. Hair loss related to anemia is usually diffuse, meaning it occurs all over the scalp rather than in a specific pattern. It may be more noticeable when brushing or washing the hair and can also reduce hair density. Hair loss can be caused by various factors, including genetics, hormonal imbalances, stress, medications, and other medical conditions. Number 6. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath is a common symptom of anemia, particularly if the anemia is severe. This occurs because anemia reduces the amount of oxygen that can be carried by the blood to the body's tissues. When the tissues do not receive enough oxygen, the body may compensate by increasing the respiratory rate to get more oxygen into the body. Shortness of breath related to anemia can occur during mild exercise or physical activity, or even at rest. It may also accompany other symptoms, such as fatigue, weakness, and dizziness. In severe cases, anemia can lead to heart failure, which can cause severe shortness of breath, chest pain, and swelling in the legs and ankles. Shortness of breath can also be caused by other factors such as asthma, COPD, heart disease, and anxiety. Number 5. Irregular heartbeat. Anemia can cause an irregular or rapid heartbeat, known as tachycardia. This happens because the heart has to work harder to supply enough oxygen to the body's tissues when there are not enough red blood cells or hemoglobin to carry oxygen efficiently. In some cases, anemia can also cause heart palpitations, which is a feeling of skipped or irregular heartbeats. Palpitations can result from the heart trying to compensate for the decreased oxygen supply by beating faster or irregularly. An irregular heartbeat can also be caused by other factors such as stress, caffeine, alcohol, and other medical conditions. Number 4. Headaches. Anemia can cause headaches due to reduced oxygen supply to the brain. Headache severity and frequency vary with the severity of anemia. However, headaches can also be caused by other factors such as stress, dehydration, eye strain, and other medical conditions. It's important to consult a healthcare professional to determine the underlying cause and appropriate treatment. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up button, and never forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Number 3. Chest pain. Anemia can cause chest pain because your heart is not getting enough oxygen. It's like your heart is doing extra work, which can cause tightness or pressure in your chest. Sometimes, anemia can also cause chest pain called angina, which is triggered by physical activity or stress and can be a sign of more severe heart problems. But keep in mind that chest pain can also be caused by other things like heart disease, acid reflux, or lung problems. So, if you have chest pain or any other symptoms of anemia, talk to a doctor to figure out what's going on and how to treat it. Number 2. Cold hands and feet. Anemia can cause poor circulation to the extremities, leading to cold or numb hands and feet. Anemia can also lower the body's energy production, making you feel cold, even in warm environments. However, cold hands and feet can also be caused by other factors such as poor circulation, hypothyroidism, and Raynaud's phenomenon. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine the underlying cause and appropriate treatment if you are experiencing cold hands and feet or any other symptoms of anemia. Number 1. Brittle nails. Brittle nails can also be a sign of anemia. When you don't have enough iron in your body because of anemia, it can make your nails weak, brittle, and easily breakable. Iron is really important for healthy nails, as well as healthy hair and skin. But if your body doesn't have enough iron, it can't give your nails the nutrients they need to stay strong. However, keep in mind that brittle nails can also be caused by other things like getting older, being exposed to chemicals, or not getting enough nutrients in your diet. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, anemia is no joke, and it's important to listen to your body when telling you something is up. If you're experiencing any of these 8 silent symptoms, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor and get tested for anemia. With the right treatment, you can get back to feeling like your badass self in no time. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this. We've got your back when it comes to all things health and wellness. Until next time, peace out.